Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. And sorry for today, I do not have any shout outs. But if you would like a shout out in my next video, comment #SophiaSquad. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. Okay, so we're already in the video. So, these are my two dolls, as you already know. This is Rose, and this is Adaline. I actually made this clothing for Rose. I'm pretty sure, I think it's really cute. So yeah, it's really easy. All I did was put a headband and looped it around, and the same thing in the back. And yeah, and she just has a basic dress that she came with. So they are having a contest. Give it up for the contest. Okay, so they are going to be doing a bunch of noises. So, would you like to start off, Rose? Yes, give it up for Rose. And Adaline. Woo-hoo. So yeah. Okay. Rose, you are gonna go first. Okay. Was that a good noise? I'm pretty sure it was. Comment down below which one after. Okay, Adaline. Okay, pretty exotic. Now you. Okay, good job. And now you. I'm gonna do the best I can on what I can do. So if I win, I'm probably not gonna win. That's my noise. Say if you think I won. I don't think I did. But anyway. Sorry for this really short video. I just wanted to make a video because I really didn't have anything else to upload. But give me some video ideas that you would like me to do in the comment section down below. So make sure to click that like button. Just zoomed in there. Here's the noise for zoom. There. Okay. So who do you think won? It's me. No. Okay, so yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.